Hey guys, this is Crystal High Queen. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a Divine Masculine reading. This is going to be from 21st through 24th of February 2022. It's going to be for the Twin Flame Collective in 3D separation, guys. It's just energy and not gender specific, so just take it how it resonates. The Divine Masculine might very well be a woman, and the Divine Feminine could very well be a man, okay? It doesn't depend on gender, it's just energy, guys. Alright, so as I was channeling, I was getting something about a British man. The name Graham kept coming up. If the name is not resonating, this might be someone who has a British accent, okay? Some of you might have met this person online, like on a dating app, perhaps. Okay, but whoever this person is, they love your eyes. Something about your eyes kept coming up. Maybe you have really deep and very alluring eyes. So this person really likes that about you. I'm not sure if you are in communication with this person anymore, but this kept coming up as I was channeling. All right, let's just see. What's happening with the Divine Masculines, please, from 21st through 24th? What is the strongest energy? What's happening with the Divine Masculines in the Twin Flame Collective in 3D separation during this time period, please? Thank you. Okay. All right. Spring and the bird's nest. All right. We'll see what's that about, because spring for me is the beginning of something new. And it looks like that the Divine Masculine is really in that energy now to begin something new, and maybe someone is supporting them with this decision, perhaps. We'll see. Okay, so we have 4 of forces, 3 of forces. Somebody is supporting the Divine Masculine. It could also mean that the Divine Masculine is depending on some people around them. Could be a family. So that is why they are still preparing to take action. They are not yet ready to take action. But this new beginning is what they want with the spring here. But it looks like that they are dependent on somebody. So it's not the right time to take action. Okay, let's see. What's happening with the Divine Feminine, please? What's happening with the Divine Feminine? Okay. The light of the world in the reverse. Okay. So some fear and doubt coming up for the Divine Feminine. Maybe there's a disconnect. Let's see. Number 10 here. Okay. Initiation and the Count Saint Germain with the King of Forces. Okay. Okay, so we have 2 major arcanas for the Divine Feminine here. Yeah, sorry guys, I had to pause the video for a moment. Okay, so for the divine feminines, I feel that there has been a major disconnect with your counterpart recently. Maybe it is still happening, maybe you're still feeling it. Because we do have the King of Forces with the Queen of Forces at the bottom of the deck. So, what I'm feeling here is that some of you, divine feminines, you're not listening to your higher self, okay? And some very low vibrational energies have been surrounding you recently. Your higher self has been trying to tell you something, but fear and doubt has come in your way. Saint Germain here, this is your initiation, okay? This card is trying to tell you that whatever is happening, this disconnect, it is just it's just a push forward to your ascension. All right? You are being guided to just open up to your higher self, not just when you require a certain information. Just be open to it at all times. Okay? Just be open to your higher self, your intuition at all times. Do not let fear and doubt, anger, frustration come in the way. Because this is your initiation. This energy is going to go away very soon. You just need to keep yourself very balanced at the, for the time being. So yeah, King and Queen of Forces both coming in the upright position. This is telling me that this low vibrational energy which has been keeping you down recently, this is going to go away, and you start feeling your masculine's presence ever strongly again. Okay, no action, no communication from the masculine doesn't mean that they have forgotten about this connection, they have forgotten about you. It's just that they still don't feel very independent. They do have this new beginning on their mind very strongly, but they're still depending on some people for their survival, perhaps. So give them some time, guys. Give the divine masculine some time. It's okay. You do not want an unhealed masculine in your life. Let them heal. Let them take care of themselves. And in the meantime, you are being guided to do the same for yourself. Let's see. What's going on in the divine masculine's physical reality, please, from 21st through 24th? What's going on in the divine masculine's physical reality during this time period? Thank you. Okay. Four of Cups. Four of Cups, and we have the Page of Wands in the reverse. All right, so there's some kind of a gossip going on. There are rumors about the divine masculine, and it feels like that he's not interested in all those rumors and what people are talking about them anymore. They seem to be very focused on something. Could be the divine feminine. They also might feel that the divine feminine here is not even looking at them, but their eyes are just, stuck on the divine feminine here. In their karmic situation, whatever is going around them, people might be criticizing the divine masculine, that they're still depending on some people around them for their survival, could be their family, etc. So there's rumors and gossip, and he's not really interested. Okay, let's see. What is he thinking about his divine feminine, please? What's in his headspace? What's in his headspace, please, about the divine feminine? Okay. Yeah, Six of Swords. We have Six of Swords, Seven of Swords, and Eight of Wands. 6, 7, 8, guys. So he's really thinking about testing the waters, about traveling towards the divine feminine. Okay, that is why maybe he's really thinking about this new beginning here with spring. He might also be waiting for something to manifest. But this is about bringing change. He's thinking about bringing change to this situation, bringing the situation to calmer waters. This is about making a reappearance into the divine feminine's life. All right, let's see. What is he feeling about her, please? What's in his heart space about the divine feminine? What is in his heart space, please? Okay, wow. The Fool, yeah. His heart is just beating very fast. Okay, it's pumping with adrenaline. This is that 1333 on the clock, guys. This is like, I just want to do this. Wanting to take a leap of faith. Let me just do this. Head is in the clouds. Feeling that puppy love for her. Really wanting to bring peace to this situation, okay? We have Aries energy with the Fool here. We do have the Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo energy. So yeah, this is about taking a leap of faith towards his divine feminine here. Okay, let's see. What's his confession? What does he want to confess to her during this time period, please? What's his confession? His confession is that, you know, this is a breakthrough. It's hitting him hard how much he wants to travel towards her, how much he wants to speak to her. It's hitting him hard. It's like an electric bolt. Okay, this card coming up twice, this could be that he's just suddenly deciding to communicate this week. We have Scorpio energy with the Tower here. But this is a lightning bolt. Something is hitting him hard. This could be the divine really bringing something to his attention. And he wants to confess that he sees it, whatever this is. Okay, let's see. What's blocking him, please? What's his blockage during this time period? What's blocking the divine masculine, please? Change. The Death. Transformation. Okay, so Tower and Death coming together side by side. This is a major change. We have 3 major arcanas side by side, yes. Okay. Okay, so 3 is the number of ascended masters. Something is happening in the divine masculine's life. There's a major change coming up. Maybe he's undergoing currently. Okay, maybe that is why there's this disconnect that the divine feminine is feeling. Because he's in a very uncomfortable position here. He doesn't know. He's unable to focus on just one thing right now. There's too much going on. We have strong Scorpio in this reading up till now. Let's see. What's going on? 17:07 on the clock, guys. Yeah, this is telepathy. Both the divine counterparts are going through this major transformation. This is ascension. That is why it is so uncomfortable. The divine feminine might very well be mirroring the divine masculine's discomfort, that disconnect. Okay, what's going on in his karmic situation, please? In the divine masculine's karmic situation. Two of Swords, yeah. Whatever is going on, the divine masculine seems to be blocking that bullshit. And Queen of Swords in the upright, this is the divine feminine. He has learned this from the divine feminine here. How to cut off bullshit, how to block people who do not serve his life purpose, his growth. He's not interested in these people, these situations anymore, because his intuition is already guiding him. One sword tilted towards this crescent moon. This is indicative of him trusting his intuition. He's just blocking these people out, not interested. Okay. What's his energy towards his karmic partner, if any, please? What's his energy towards his karmic partner? Okay, hostility. So, because of a breakup, perhaps, maybe a divorce, but this is like the connection has been broken. 1911 on the clock, guys. Yeah, it was an urgency. This had to break. The tower here could also be indicative that he's trying to confess to his divine feminine that this false foundation is now broken. And because now this foundation has fallen, he's undergoing this major transformation. He's becoming his best version for his divine feminine. Ace of Pentacles in the reverse. This is like a breakup, a divorce, severe loss of money, like a huge amount of money here. Page of Swords in the reverse is hostility. He's just really wanting to move away from this hostility. And, he just wants to move towards his divine feminine here. There's a lot of hostility with these karmic people here, okay? That's why he's not interested. And he's just blocking this karmic or these people around him. Hostility. The divine feminine might be mirroring a lot of anger, frustration. Maybe she's calling his divine her divine masculine some names out of anger, despise. It's all coming from him, divine feminine, because he's going through this major disconnect in his karmic situation. He's angry and he is just not interested anymore. Let's see. What are his intentions for his divine feminine, please? What are his long-term intentions? Wow, justice. So his intentions are to bring balance to this situation. And this could also mean that for some of you, he's ready to take a leap of faith towards a commitment with the divine feminine. Justice here is about signing contracts. It's about commitment. It's about marriage. Yeah, oh my God, look at this. Four of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Knight of Pentacles wanted to come out. Yeah. Bringing in a solid, stable, steady offer to have a passionate new beginning and perhaps to have a marriage in the future. Maybe he's getting ready. Maybe he stopped believing in relationships, in commitment, in love. But it looks like that he's again that something is sprouting here with spring being the first card. Flowers blossoming, sunshine. Okay, and there's abundance and beauty everywhere. Yeah, so this is like he's getting ready for his future now with his divine feminine. 22:44 on the clock, guys. Let's see. What's his overall energy towards his divine feminine and this connection with her? What's his overall energy, please? What's the divine masculine's overall energy during this time period? Wow. Look at this. Four of Wands, Ten of Pentacles. Yes, guys. This is his energy, overall energy. Future, marriage, commitment, children, family, a house, pets, love. That's on his mind. He has understood very well that this karmic situation was not for him. Maybe these people know about his intentions towards his divine feminine. Maybe they know that he is willing to take this leap of faith towards his divine feminine now, and these people, they are just being very hostile about it. Some of them could be supporting the divine masculine, the others are being hostile about it. The divine masculine seems to be very decisive. He doesn't care. He's not interested what they think. He is just willing to take this leap of faith towards his divine feminine now. Wow, beautiful. Okay, so what physical actions is he taking towards his divine feminine, please? During this time period, what physical actions he is taking towards her. Hanged Man. So he's not taking any action because, again, spring is about resting, right? It's not about taking action. So he's not taking action as of now during this time period, but he is definitely looking at things from a different, more higher perspective. His viewpoint has changed about this connection, about what unconditional love looks like, what a good relationship, a healthy relationship should look like. He has gained insights on this. Let's see, why is the Hanged Man here, please, in his actions? Wow. Okay. Okay. So he is now looking at the divine feminine from a completely different perspective. Earlier, he might have thought that, she's very sexy, of course, but she might be interested in more than one man, or maybe she's just like a playgirl or something. He's very embarrassed about that. With the Five of Swords here, he's very embarrassed. That's what he thought about her in the past. Now all he can think about is his divine feminine and how beautiful and confident she is, how she trusts her intuition, how she maintains her boundaries, and she is the sunshine in his life. She brings life to him. He's really embarrassed about that, and now he's completely, his viewpoint has changed completely about her. This is the one for me, is what he keeps thinking now. Let's see. What's the outcome, please? What is the outcome during this time period? What is the outcome of this reading, please? Thank you. letting go in the reverse. Okay. So something which he was unable to let go of in the past. Let's see. Back and forth in the reverse, yeah. He is letting that go. He is not indecisive about that anymore. He knows that these people, if they cannot support him, they need to go because it's his life. He has to live his life. These people are just going to give their opinions from afar, and it won't make a difference after some time. They'll just leave, and the divine masculine would be the one suffering. He has gained insight on that, so he is not indecisive about this anymore. He just knows that these people need to go. Earlier he was not able to do that, but now he's just letting them go. Yeah, earlier his energy was very fragmented around this, whether or not I should listen to these people, whether or not I should just do my own thing. Yep, but now I'll just take action. I'll do what I want. Planning and action, taking steps, yes. It doesn't matter what these people think and want. It's his life. It's my life. I'm hearing that song. It's my life. It's my life. It's now or never. Something like that. Yeah. Yep. So he is in that energy now. This week he doesn't seem to be taking action because he's trying to manifest something. Okay, let's see what is the guidance for the divine feminines watching this video, please. What is the guidance for the divine feminines watching this video, please? Shakti, okay. Divine feminine, you are being asked to take care of yourself physically, emotionally, mentally, okay? Because this is a card that represents transformation, intense transformation. You might be losing sleep this week, or at least during this time period, 21st through 24th. You might have insomnia, or you might be oversleeping, okay? You might, it's just you might have headaches, migraines, body aches, okay? But this is like physical discomfort. And just know that this is your ascension taking place. You are moving to higher timelines. It's shifting. You are being prepared to come into union, physical union with your divine counterpart. That is why this major discomfort, this disconnect with your masculine, it's happening this week. Do not worry, because it's just a step. After this, I feel maybe by the end of this week, this is going to calm down. You'll be feeling much better. Let's see, anything else for the divine feminines, please? Just really take care of yourself, guys. Some of you just might, catch a cold, or maybe a fever, something. But this is physical discomfort, this Shakti here. Just know that you are very powerful. Once you set your mind to something, you'll be able to achieve it. Okay? So just make sure that whatever you're thinking is of a positive nature. Yes, I told you. Guys, you'll be feeling a lot this week. I'm so sorry to tell you, but this is a major discomfort. You are not only going to go through a very difficult time physically, but energetically as well. You are going to pick up on a lot of uneasy thoughts, feelings, emotions, energy coming from your masculine, maybe from other people as well around you. Just please be very careful, guys. Okay? This is a very hard energy, but I promise this is going to settle down very soon. This time period, 21st through 24th, just hang it, okay? Just hang in there, guys. Okay. Yeah. 33. I'm telling you. Okay, just whenever you feel this discomfort, this uneasiness, just pray, guys. Pray, call your angels, call Michael, call Raphael, whoever you believe in, and just ground yourself, guys. Just take care of yourself, okay? This could also be talking about a news coming in for you that might give you 3336 on the clock, guys. Yeah, 33333. Ascended Masters, news, some kind of a news might be coming in for some of you. Well, and the news might be, it might be a confirmation that your divine counterpart is desiring you equally, something of that nature. It might come in the form of a sign or a synchronicity, coincidence. Okay, it just might come in the form of dreams, or you might be hearing songs for some of you. Okay, but this is a news that will confirm that your divine counterpart has not forgotten about you. You are still ever present on his mind, in his energy. So do not worry about this disconnect which might be happening this week. It's just a step forward towards your ascension. Don't be afraid. Just flow with it, okay? Go with it. Okay, let's see. What messages from the Divine Masculine, please? What does he want to say to his Divine Feminine? Thank you. I'm thinking about you right now. Okay, so this is one confirmation that he has not forgotten about you. Something about the color red. Maybe you are wearing something red while watching this video. Okay, maybe you have recently posted a picture in red. My karmic is so toxic, I feel burdened. Yeah, that is why this karmic, or these other karmic people, he's just letting them go. It's enough. Enough of that bullshit. Okay. 2 more cards, please. Thank you. Your gaze electrifies me, as I was saying, as I was channeling. Your gaze, your eyes, very deep, alluring. The Divine Masculine can't help himself but to just lose himself in your eyes. That's how he feels when he looks into your eyes, Divine Feminine. Okay, let's see. One last card, please. I can still smell your perfume. It drives me wild. Yeah. So whenever you might be thinking about your Divine Masculine, he might, like as a synchronicity, he might just energetically, sense or smell your perfume. It is said that when you are thinking about someone, missing someone, they start smelling your perfume, and it happens vice versa as well. I feel you are my soulmate. We are destined, yes. The divine masculine thinks you are a soulmate, divine feminine. Yep. So don't worry about this disconnect, divine feminine. He can never forget about you. It's impossible. Okay? The intensity might fade sometimes, but it always resurfaces. It can never just go. It can never disappear. It's physically impossible. Okay? That's why the divine counterparts, one soul in two bodies, there's no cord here. It's just same energy. And there can never be a major disconnect forever. It's just ascension, guys. Okay? Don't worry, it will be over very soon. And you'll be your happy, peppy, joyful, beautiful, divine feminine very soon. You'll start feeling like yourself very soon. Okay, guys, so that was our reading. I hope it resonated and helped you in some way. Sending you much love and light. Take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.